Y'all see Drew Hanlon talking about what could Jason Tatum learn from Carmelo Anthony?
You can learn from a
Hey
great,
man,
bro.
you
That's
gotta
a
relax,
great.
bro.
He can, bro.
You can always learn from a
Bro,
great.
that's
Get some
one
of
of the
that
best
post work.
one of the best people ever touch basketball, bro. You can always learn from fucking Carmelo
Yeah,
Anthony.
if he
man.
have something to say about basketball, you probably should listen.
Yeah, bro.
What kind of question is that, though?
Yeah, bro. Like, what's that? What question?
Like, what could he learn? Is he asking, like,
He said, "How you gonna tell him about winning and you
Yeah.
never won?"
Like, what can you
Like,
learn?
that's
bro,
what I'm saying, bro.
Stay out of that, bro.
Yeah,
That's Carmelo Anthony.
Trying to
bro.
get this nigga a different skill to his game, and you talking about winning the championship?
Carmelo Anthony,
Carmelo
bro. That's the
Anthony,
end of
bro.
conversation.
flat out.
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
just stay out of that, bro.
And I
Like,
actually like
Yeah, Drew Hanlon a good trainer, bro. But
Drew,
shout
he
out
wild,
to
bro.
you. Shout out to him, but
but I
stay out of
probably
that.
It's okay to be wrong, though. If he wrong, he human. He made a mistake. I'm saying if he trying to help Jason Tatum get better in a certain area, it has nothing to do with him winning the championship.
and I get with Drew as a trainer, like, but I just probably wouldn't say nothing to Carmelo.